Hi, it's Chef Mike Pangia, and today we're going to do shrimp scampi. It was a special request from a subscriber, from Sophie, and this one's for you, Sophie. You want to get all your add-ins and spices ready before we actually start cooking. I'm going to separate as much as I can the stems from the leafy portion of the parsley, and I will keep the stems separate from my compost pile. Now the parsley is chopped fine. Now I have 4 cloves of garlic that I'm going to mince. Start by slicing them. To clean your shrimp, you'll need a tool like this, a shrimp deveiner. They come in metal or plastic. Either one works fine. On medium-low heat, we're going to wet the bottom of our skillet with olive oil. Swirl it around a little bit. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of a stick of unsalted butter. Let that melt. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add in the garlic and saute it. Now for about 3/4 of a cup of a dry white wine, I'm using Sauvignon Blanc. Now we want to reduce it so that we have about half the volume left. Now we can add in the shrimp, and we have to be quick here. Stir them up, and we have to be careful not to overcook them. We want to coat them with the butter and oil and garlic, of course. Let's add in our salt. And some red pepper flakes. And fresh ground pepper, generously. The shrimp have cooked to pink, so we're ready to put in the parsley and the juice of a half lemon. Stir that in. And we are ready to serve. We have it, that classic dish, shrimp scampi. I hope this works for you, Sophie, and I hope it works for the rest of you, and you'll try it. It's something really good. It's not complicated. Nice dinner you can serve to your family. I like it with a crusty French bread. You can also do it with pasta if that's your preference. Well, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.